We are doing a very quick video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis today on a daily and a 75-minute time frame. So this is something that we are expecting today on 26th of May as we are recording. A nice, pleasant Bombay rains morning and a very quiet one. So it will be a very quick. Hope we have had a very good trading session in the last couple of weeks. Prices were behaving very textbookish as what we had predicted, expected. Now, starting with Nifty, what we can see here is this entire corrective rise that we had seen. It appears that it is probably completed making a C. Now let's see this on the lower time frame. Now here, when I see this C, I can mark waves like this. This is how I'm able to read it today. Now, when I put a trend line from this here, yes, I have seen, or we can able to see that this trend line is already broken once. It has come back, retested. Now it's actually on the trend line. So we'll need to see where the price moves. When it falls again below this particular level, we'll be heading towards a small down move here. So that was about Nifty. Let's come back to Bank Nifty. Now, as we speak and record, it started raining again. And that's even going to be messier. Okay, so Bank Nifty again. This entire move from A to B, it went in a double correction kind of a way, and it looks like it has made Y and made B here. Now, the move from this particular part, I am seeing it is making a very kind of sideways and a sluggish kind of move. Let's zoom in into 75 minutes. Now, the time it has taken to make A and time it is taking to make this particular move are almost similar. So I expect either the price will move or continue to move sideways for the day today, and then it will complete this E. It is probably an expanding triangle like this. It is appearing so, and when we have this particular movement completed, or maybe today or maybe tomorrow by 10:15 or that particular candle, we may start to see Bank Nifty also moving a little down. So that was about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for today. And if we are into if we are to trade today, we need to watch the levels. Today is one day where we'll need to be a little watchful before taking any trades. So that was it from us. Thank you so much.